Welcome back to our online course creator series. Today, we are delving into a critical aspect of course development, identifying your target audience. Understanding the needs, preferences, and pain points of your audience is essential for creating courses that resonate and deliver value. In this episode, we'll explore how conducting interviews or focus groups can assist in identifying the pain points of the target audience for an online course. Conducting interviews or focus groups. When it comes to understanding the unique challenges and frustrations faced by your potential students, there's no substitute for hearing directly from them. Interviews and focus groups offer a platform for open dialogue and in-depth exploration of participants' experiences, allowing researchers to uncover valuable insights into their pain points. Let's delve into how conducting interviews or focus groups can assist in identifying the pain points of the target audience for an online course. Stay tuned as we explore each point. 1. In-depth exploration. Interviews and focus groups offer researchers a unique opportunity to delve deeply into participants' experiences, perspectives, and challenges. Through open-ended questions and discussions, researchers can uncover rich, nuanced insights that go beyond surface-level data. Participants are encouraged to share their stories, providing context and depth to their experiences, which is invaluable for understanding the intricacies of their pain points. By exploring the nuances of participants' experiences, researchers can gain a comprehensive understanding of the factors contributing to their pain points and the context in which these challenges arise. This in-depth exploration allows researchers to uncover insights that may not be apparent through other research methods, providing a holistic view of the target audience's needs and preferences. 2. Rich qualitative data. Interviews and focus groups yield qualitative data that is rich in detail and nuance. Unlike quantitative data, which relies on numerical metrics, qualitative data captures the richness of participants' experiences, emotions, and perspectives. This qualitative data is essential for gaining a nuanced understanding of participants' pain points and the underlying factors contributing to them. By capturing participants' stories and experiences in their own words, researchers can uncover deep-seated beliefs, attitudes, and motivations that shape their behaviors and decisions. This rich qualitative data provides context and depth to the research findings, allowing researchers to gain a comprehensive understanding of the target audience's needs and preferences. 3. Uncovering unmet needs. Interviews and focus groups are effective tools for uncovering unmet needs and hidden pain points that may not be apparent through other research methods. By engaging directly with participants and exploring their experiences in depth, researchers can identify gaps in existing solutions and opportunities for innovation. Participants are encouraged to share their frustrations, challenges, and unmet needs, providing valuable insights into areas where current offerings fall short. By uncovering these unmet needs, researchers can identify opportunities for improvement and innovation, driving the development of solutions that better meet the needs of the target audience. This process of uncovering unmet needs is essential for ensuring that the final course design addresses the most pressing challenges faced by the target audience, leading to a more impactful and effective learning experience. 4. Understanding motivations. Interviews and focus groups help researchers understand the motivations and goals driving participants' behavior. By exploring the underlying reasons behind participants' actions and decisions, researchers can gain insight into the root causes of their pain points and design solutions that address these underlying motivations. Participants are encouraged to share their goals, aspirations, and desires, providing valuable insights into what drives their behavior and decision-making. By understanding participants' motivations, researchers can tailor solutions that align with their goals and aspirations, increasing the likelihood of adoption and success. This deeper understanding of participants' motivations allows researchers to design solutions that resonate with their target audience, leading to greater engagement, satisfaction, and success. 5. Real-time feedback. Interviews and focus groups provide real-time feedback that can inform course development in real time. Participants can offer immediate reactions to proposed solutions or prototypes, allowing researchers to iterate and refine their ideas based on this feedback. This iterative approach ensures that the final course design meets the needs and preferences of the target audience. By soliciting feedback early and often throughout the course development process, researchers can identify areas for improvement and address concerns before they become major issues. This real-time feedback loop is essential for ensuring that the final course design is aligned with the needs and preferences of the target audience, leading to a more successful learning experience. 6. Building empathy. Engaging directly with participants through interviews and focus groups builds empathy and rapport between researchers and the target audience. By listening attentively to participants' stories and experiences, researchers can gain a deeper understanding of their perspectives and develop a greater sense of empathy for their challenges and frustrations. Participants are encouraged to share their emotions, concerns, and aspirations, creating a sense of connection and understanding between researchers and participants. This empathy is essential for designing solutions that resonate with the target audience and address their needs effectively. By understanding participants' experiences on a deeper level, researchers can develop solutions that are truly empathetic and user-centered, leading to greater engagement, satisfaction, and success. 7. Identifying patterns. By analyzing data from multiple interviews or focus groups, researchers can identify patterns and trends in participants' experiences. These patterns provide valuable insights into the common pain points shared by the target audience and help prioritize areas for intervention and improvement. By identifying patterns in participants' experiences, researchers can gain a comprehensive understanding of the factors contributing to their pain points and the context in which these challenges arise. This understanding allows researchers to develop targeted solutions that address the root causes of participants' pain points, leading to more effective interventions and improvements. Additionally, by identifying patterns across multiple interviews or focus groups, researchers can validate their findings and ensure that their conclusions are robust and reliable. 8. Validating assumptions. Interviews and focus groups provide an opportunity to validate assumptions about the target audience. By testing hypotheses and ideas with actual participants, researchers can ensure that their course design aligns with the realities of their audience's experiences and needs. Participants are encouraged to provide honest feedback and share their perspectives, allowing researchers to validate their assumptions and refine their ideas accordingly. This process of validation is essential for ensuring that the final course design meets the needs and preferences of the target audience. By soliciting feedback from participants throughout the course development process, researchers can identify areas for improvement and address concerns before they become major issues. This iterative approach to validation ensures that the final course design is robust, reliable, and aligned with the needs of the target audience. 9. Generating new ideas. Interviews and focus groups stimulate creativity and innovation by sparking new ideas and insights. Through collaborative brainstorming and ideation sessions, participants and researchers can co-create solutions that address pain points in novel and effective ways. Participants are encouraged to think creatively and propose innovative solutions to the challenges they face, generating new ideas and insights that can inform course development. By engaging in this collaborative process of idea generation, researchers can tap into the collective wisdom and creativity of the target audience, leading to more innovative and effective solutions. Additionally, by generating new ideas and insights, researchers can push the boundaries of what is possible and explore new directions for course development, leading to more impactful and successful outcomes. 10. Cultivating ownership. Involving participants in the research process through interviews and focus groups cultivates a sense of ownership and investment in the solution. Participants feel heard and valued, increasing their buy-in and commitment to the course design process. By actively involving participants in the research process, researchers can tap into their expertise and insights, leading to more meaningful and impactful outcomes. Additionally, by cultivating a sense of ownership and investment in the solution, researchers can increase participants' motivation and engagement, leading to greater success and satisfaction with the final course design. This sense of ownership is essential for ensuring the successful implementation and adoption of the final course design, leading to a more impactful and effective learning experience. By leveraging interviews and focus groups, course creators can gain invaluable insights into the pain points of their target audience, paving the way for the development of courses that truly meet their needs. Subscribe now for more expert insights. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating successful online courses.